Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce the important subject of communication and business correspondence. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, and feelings between individuals or groups. It is a fundamental part of human life and forms the basis of all personal, social, and professional relationships. Communication helps us understand others and enables others to understand us. Communication can be verbal, non-verbal, written, or visual. In our daily lives, we communicate through conversations, emails, messages, presentations, and social media. Effective communication ensures that the message sent by the sender is correctly understood by the receiver. In the modern business world, communication is one of the most essential skills. Every organization depends on communication for planning, decision making, coordination, problem solving, and maintaining relationships with customers, employees, suppliers, and stakeholders. Poor communication can lead to misunderstandings, errors, and loss of business opportunities, whereas effective communication enhances productivity and organizational success. This brings us to the concept of business correspondence. Business correspondence refers to the formal exchange of information through written communication in a business environment. It includes letters, emails, notices, circulars, reports, memos, and other official documents used for business purposes. Business correspondence serves several important functions. It creates a permanent record of communication, facilitates smooth business operations, strengthens professional relationships, and helps organizations communicate clearly and efficiently. A well-written business message reflects professionalism and creates a positive impression of the organization. Effective business correspondence should follow certain principles. It should be clear, concise, complete, correct, and professional. The language used should be simple and easy to understand, avoiding ambiguity and unnecessary complexity. The purpose of the message should be clearly stated so that the receiver can take appropriate action. The study of communication and business correspondence helps students develop essential workplace skills such as writing professional emails, preparing business letters, conducting effective communication, and presenting information confidently. These skills are highly valued in every profession and contribute significantly to career growth and organizational effectiveness. Let us understand the teaching and learning methodology. The course is designed to provide effective learning through various resources. Students will learn through audio and video lectures which explain concepts in an engaging and easy to understand manner. Website links will be provided by subject experts offering additional learning material and practical insights. Reference books will be recommended by experts for deeper understanding and further reading. A weekly schedule will be provided to help students manage their learning effectively. Assessment and certification. To ensure continuous learning, students will be assessed after the completion of every module through multiple choice questions, that is MCQs, and assignments. These assessments help students evaluate their understanding of the topics covered. At the end of the course, students must successfully clear the final examination. Upon passing the examination, they will be awarded a certificate recognizing their achievement and proficiency in business communication. In conclusion, communication is the foundation of successful relationships, while business correspondence is the backbone of professional communication in organizations. By mastering these skills, individuals can communicate effectively, build strong professional relationships, and achieve success in their careers. Happy learning and thank you.